In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up a trailing stop in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, make sure that the Positions widget is added to your layout. If it is not visible, go to Add Widget and click Positions to add it to your screen. After the Positions widget is added, choose the stock you want to set a trailing stop for. In the Positions list, select the specific stock so you can access its available options. Next, go to the end of that stock row and click the three dots menu. From there, click Increase Position. After selecting Increase Position, move to the Order Setup screen where you will see Buy and Sell options. Go to the Order Type section and choose Trailing Stop. After selecting Trailing Stop, confirm that the order type is correctly applied on the screen. Next, review the order details carefully, making sure the correct stock is selected and the trailing stop type is active. Check the quantity field and adjust it if needed so it matches the position you want to apply the trailing stop to. Once everything is set, review the full order summary to confirm all details are correct. After verifying the information, proceed to submit the order. Once the order is submitted, the trailing stop will be applied to your selected position. You can return to the Positions widget anytime to view or manage your active positions and orders.